Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to congratulate someone on the Duolingo app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is open up the Duolingo application. Once we're here, we need to make sure to sign into our account. Once we're signed in, we want to click onto our user profile icon at the bottom of the page here. And it'll say your profile name and all that stuff, and from here you're going to see all the people you're following and followers. So now your friends are going to be here under your following, so go ahead and find that friend you would like to congratulate. So you can see their recent milestones like streaks, new levels and achievements. Then tap the comment bubble or emoji next to the activity and leave a supportive comment like congrats on reaching a 100-day streak, way to go hitting a diamond league, etc. Now, if your friend's got commenting enabled, tap on your friend's profile, scroll down and leave a comment, and you can congratulate them that way. And also, you can also send them a message outside the app. So if you got them on Facebook, TikTok, you can send them a direct message to congratulate them outside of Duolingo as well.